Are you looking for the best electric foam body wash dispenser? Well, we've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that up for me right there. So you get a few little accessories, it looks like. A lot of bag-in-a-boxes here. Let's see, you got some little set stickers right there. Cool, all right. So what we have here, first of all, they do give you the stickers right there so that you can add some what it's used for on there and what's actually in there as well. So I like that they've included that so you can label everything nicely. In fact, you might want to consider getting more than one of these so that you have one for body wash or one for shampoo or whatever. Actually, I was reading the box. There's a bunch of different things that you can and cannot put into here. So you can do dish soap, hand soap, body wash, shampoo, and pet shampoo. So definitely 5 things that you can do. So if you want to utilize it for all those things, you might want to consider getting 5 of these. Not applicable is sanitizer, scrub, toothpaste, hair conditioner, makeup remover, and cream cleansers. So I wanted to point that out just so that you know exactly what can and can't go inside this thing. But let's go ahead and get on into this bag right here from our bag-in-a-box and see what we got. This looks like the main unit. Yeah, okay, so always tighten the bottle before use. Okay, liquid soap only. Max water temperature 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Then it goes through what I just mentioned from the box. So let's go ahead and peel that on off. It's got the nice big wand on there too. It's a little bit longer, so it hugs near the side. So it's going to use up all of the liquid that's in there, which is super cool. Let's see. Okay, so you got a button right there on the top to have it easily come out. This right here on the back is going to be a USB-C port, and that is what's going to allow the pump to work to be able to get it come on up through here, and then it's going to foam out right from here. It actually has a really nice ergonomic design to it because you have your finger right there on the top. Whenever you have your hand out, you can easily squirt some stuff right on through there. So let's go ahead and open up all this other stuff, and then we'll check out everything that we have. Looks like you got a little tip for something right there. This was inside of it. I don't know if that's just so that it doesn't get crushed in shipping or if that actually has a purpose. You actually get 2 of them. Does that go? Does this come? Ah, look, this comes off right here, and you have them right there. So they give you a few extra of those inside of here. See if you pull this right on out. And you can also see that it's got a nice gasket all the way around there as well. And then if you want, you can switch out this guy for this guy right here. So you have 2 different attachments that you can put onto the end of it where it dispenses from. Super cool. All right, they also give you this, another bag in a box, just like a extra hair scrubber so you can get down deep into everything, make sure everything's nice and clean, and it massages the scalp as well since these are kind of like a silicone based right there. They kind of bend whenever you use it. That actually feels really nice. And then you got this. What is this? We need that Mike Vance knife right there. Let's go ahead and grab him so we can open this bad boy on up. Just like that. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is like a little mount for it. So if you just want to get it off of the tub, or if you have a shower that doesn't have any extra space to be able to put things, they give you a little sticky thing right here, so you can just pop that right on up, and then that just connects right on into there. So super simple to use. It's just going to simply slide on in, and then you can stick that to wherever you want. And it's not a suction cup, it's an actual sticky back. So 1, it's not going to stick out like a suction cup does, but 2, I've found that these types of things usually work a lot better than a suction cup. A suction cup eventually is going to lose its suction. It just gets malformed. I don't know if it's due to the water or whatever, and they just don't stay as well. So I really like these type of sticky backs right here. I think that they hold really, really well. So super cool that they give you that. You got a little place to put the things right there. All right, so to be able to get this thing working, we got to open up this right here. And I have some body wash right here that we can test this out with. I do need to figure out, though, how much of a dilution we need to do. So it says a dilution ratio for liquid soap is a 1 to 6 to 10. Okay, so it does give you your gauge right here, your dimensions right there. So it says 20 milliliters or 0.7 ounces, 50 milliliters or 1.7 ounces, 100, 150, and 200. So they marked it all up for you. And even on the side of the bottle here, they give you that dilution ratio as well. So if for whatever reason you can't find your instructions, you can always just utilize that. So turn it clockwise. Okay, fill it and then turn it back. Let's try this thing out. So I'm just going to put some of this soap in here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gives us right kind of in between the 20 and the 50 milliliter line right there. So we'll call that around 30. And we want to give it somewhere around a 6 to 10 ratio. So a 10 would be 300, 6 would be about half that. So around like 150. I think would be good filling it up right here from this. So I'm just going to grab my little bottle right here of water and we'll just fill this thing on up. Alrighty, got that nice and filled. Let's throw this guy on in. Am I supposed to, do I have to like shake it or anything? Let's see, maybe twirl it? I don't know. It doesn't say, it just says turn the bottle clockwise to remove the bottle and then fill the liquid. Screw the bottle counterclockwise to secure the bottle. Always tighten the bottle before use. Fully dilute with water before use. Liquid soap or foam foam soap only. And then it goes into cleaning instructions from there. So the cleaning instructions, the reason why they give you this removable nozzle is so that you can clean on the inside right here if you do need to clean that little area. So that's another super cool, great use for that. Okay, so you can soak these little pieces right here if you need to be able to get them nice and clean and then just wipe it on out. All right, let me grab a little rag right here just in case. Alrighty. You know what? I just realized that this one came with this little guy right here. And I'm not seeing that in the what's in the box section right here. So I'm not too sure what exactly that is used for. I'm assuming maybe to fill something, maybe get something into there. I'm not sure, but let's test this thing on out. As I mentioned, you can just simply hold it in your hand and then you should get a nice, good, whoa, hello, that went shooting. Yeah, look at that, that works well. Nice, foams up nicely right there. I can easily wash everything on out. Still has that good smell that you would get from your body wash. Oh man, this thing is awesome. The kids are gonna love this too, just because it's something fun and new. I guess if you wanted to, you could put just their favorite shampoos or body washes in there, and then that way they can take it and they can just, you know, make creations on their head, make creations on their body and whatnot. My son loves like doing potions and drawing and all that type of stuff, so that's gonna be a fun thing for him. And then just simply wipe the little nozzle right there if you want to, good and clean. So very easy to set up, very easy to get working. The button's super simple to press. I definitely believe that my 7-year-old is going to love this, and I point that out because he's 7, and it seems to be very simple to use, and even he will be able to get it going. Let me grab some dad power real quick. I'm always curious to know how things light up whenever you plug them in. And oh look, on the top right here you'll see that that little light turns red whenever it's charging. I'm gonna assume that it's gonna turn a different color whenever it's done. Oh yeah, charging complete. It's gonna be green right there. Oh, okay, look, clean the sprayer. That's what this little guy is for right here. It's just part of the making sure it works and whatnot. To be able to clean it out, you're gonna detach the filter from the tube, draw to fill the syringe completely to clean warm water, and then connect the syringe to the tube, and then you can inject it into there to be able to make sure that you're able to clean out the entire nozzle right there. So super cool that they've giving you that in there as well. Let's go ahead and take some measurements of this thing. You know, sometimes you have those shelves in between your shelf in between a shelf and a shower. And you got to make sure that you have enough space height-wise to be able to handle all the things that you're putting into there. And this is only 8¼ inches tall, and I gotta say the bottom part of this is the widest, and it's super small. This is 2½ inches in diameter, so awesome little unit right here. If y'all are looking for an excellent foaming body wash or shampoo to add to your shower, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. I'm impressed by how well that worked. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that over right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. I believe that they made this in a few different colors as well, so if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out that product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick the one that's going to be the best for you. And if you do get, if you do want to use these for different jobs around the house, you could kind of color code everything so that you know which one is for what if you don't want to use the labels and all that. So, like I said, y'all go grab y'all one of those if this is something that you're looking for. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And dad out.